pick it out of here. Maybe I can leave this little one here just to show that a bird is laying egg. So let's move to the next position. Look at one here. You can see one here also. Just randomly laying eggs just everywhere. So guys, I have to be careful. I've selected just 4. You can see another egg here, laying eggs all over the places randomly. Man, there's another one here, just laying eggs randomly. Man, look at how many eggs. Another small egg showing you, I don't know how many. Man, just eggs all over the places. And this is not a good place for eggs, guys. This is not a good place. So we have a lot of eggs today. Oh my goodness. So this is a very bad location for eggs. Although these eggs, they are located in a nice dry environment. So I just have to take them out here. Man. So guys, look at the amount of eggs we're able to get. Who knows, maybe we still have more. So I'm going to add these little eggs here to make it 2. So we have approximately 15 eggs. I think I still have some more. Okay guys, this is another hideout for more eggs. Man, this is another hideout for another egg. Maybe I can just so a lot of eggs, guys. A lot of eggs. So if you want your birds to be laying very good eggs, giving you quality just like we have here, place your comment in the comment section, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Peace.